This is Mike. He's the maintenance manager at a hospital. Previously, he used to be a happy-go-lucky kind of person, but the day he joined his job, everything changed. Now he cannot sleep, cannot eat properly, or socialize. He has to manage and coordinate one maintenance task after another, basically 24/7. Everything just breaks without any warning. Everyone is calling and yelling. Happy Mike is not so happy anymore. Until he found this.
Introducing the Infotronicx CMMS, Computerized Maintenance Management System, an enterprise asset management (EAM) software which is a combination of systems and services used to maintain and control operational assets and equipment.
And track them to completion. Nothing goes unattended anymore. Schedule maintenance to avoid surprises and prevent the accidental breakups. Analyze data to isolate serious underlying issues. Now Mike is managing the entire maintenance processes from anywhere, even when he's on vacation.
Now, CMMS basically focuses on centralizing information to facilitate and automate maintenance management processes, whereas EAM is an asset lifecycle management approach that supports asset performance from acquisition to disposal. In today's era, where practitioners are increasingly incorporating advanced analytics and AI into EAM and data gathered from instrumented assets is being analyzed using AI techniques, it's evident that the resulting insights shall help maintenance teams make better decisions, enhance efficiency, perform preventive maintenance, and maximize investments in their physical assets. Let's now ponder on why you would need an automated machine management system. Well, to begin with, CMMS, as part of EAM, tells maintenance managers where an asset is, what it needs, who should work on it, and when. It basically automates critical asset management workflows and makes them accessible and auditable, and it does not end here. Our CMM system comes with many services and features that shall surely be of great use. It is composed of asset management capabilities, which makes it easier to track assets, audit them by organizing them perfectly. We offer work management services so your maintenance team can stay focused on the right work, hence maintaining efficiency of your system. What's more is that our proficient reporting and analytics help you make data-driven decisions. We have our Infotronicx integration hub with connected systems and useful developer tools, our reliable cloud services, and much more. Our cooperative team, with the right plan and the best technology, shall make sure your CMMS implementation goes according to plan to deliver the best results. Contact us now at email sales@infotronicx.com, toll free 1-800-889-6204. Mobile +91 99099-43151. Web www.infotronicx.com. For more details, visit our website at www.assettrackindia.com.